Welcome back to our AutoCAD Electrical tutorial series. In the previous lesson, we learned about the basics of AutoCAD Electrical. In today's lesson, we are going to explore the user interface and the most essential tools you will use on a daily basis. By the end of this lesson, you will be confident in navigating the software and using the basic commands needed to start your electrical drawings. Let's start with the workspace. When you open AutoCAD Electrical, the screen is divided into different areas. At the top, we have the ribbon, which contains tabs and panels for different commands. On the left side, you may see the Project Manager, which helps us manage multiple drawings in one project. The drawing area in the middle is where we create our schematics. At the bottom, we have the command line, where we can type commands directly. Getting familiar with these areas is the first step before we start drawing. Now let's look at some basic navigation tools. Zoom in and zoom out help you focus on specific areas. You can use your mouse wheel for this. Pan allows you to move the drawing view without changing the scale. Just press and hold the middle mouse button to use it. Zoom extends fit your entire drawing into the screen. You can activate it by double-clicking the mouse wheel. These simple tools make it much easier to control your view while working on electrical schematics. Next, let's talk about some of the most commonly used commands in AutoCAD Electrical. 1. Line command, L, used to draw straight lines. Two. Erase command, E, to delete objects. Three. Move command, M, to shift objects to a new location. 4. Or, copy command, CO, to duplicate objects. Five. Trim command, TR, to cut unwanted parts of a line. Six. Extend command, EX, to stretch a line until it meets another object. These commands are the building blocks of your electrical drawings. One very important habit is saving your work. You can save your project using the save icon at the top or by typing save in the command line. It's recommended to save frequently so you don't lose progress. Also, make sure your drawings are saved inside the project folder so that AutoCAD Electrical can manage them correctly. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. We explored the AutoCAD Electrical workspace and interface. We practiced navigation tools like zoom, pan, and zoom extents. We introduced some basic commands such as line, erase, move, copy, trim, and extend. And finally, we talked about the importance of saving your project. In the next lesson, we will start with creating electrical symbols and inserting them into a schematic drawing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice these commands before moving on.